I have to tell you guys, I am an alocasia killer. I kill them. Like, I just cannot deal with them. Hey guys, my name's Noah. Welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video today, you are here to see my new plant growth. I'm so excited to share with you guys the new growth that I've been having on my plants because for some reason I've been posting it on my Instagram and stuff, but I haven't done a YouTube video on it yet. I've just been so busy doing so many other videos, so I'm really excited to share with you guys today some of the new growth I've been having. So let's just jump right into the video. All right, so the first plant I want to talk about is my favorite plant, and I posted a video on this if you saw that I got a wish list plant. So it was this Albo Syngonium, and I just can't even believe I'm standing here today with 4 leaves on my Albo, because when I first got it, as you saw in that video, it was just 1 leaf and it was a cutting from Etsy, and look, it's grown into 4 leaves. I am getting a little bit concerned because the newest leaf that came out does not have much variegation on it. I'm hoping that that's not a trend, and if it is, I will just cut it and hopefully encourage new growth from the original leaf. The new leaf does have some new growth showing here, so I know there's going to be a 5th leaf soon, which is so exciting because it's winter and I really wasn't expecting this at all. I was expecting to just have 1 leaf for a while until maybe even next spring. So I'm very, very happy that it is doing so well. This leaf is so cool. I'm absolutely obsessed with this plant. It's so beautiful and it's actually pretty resilient. Like, I haven't had to do much to take care of it. It's been fairly easy. I just have it behind me underneath a grow light and I just like to keep it moist. So yeah, it's been doing really, really well. Super, super happy about this one. All right, so the next plant I got, if you saw my Hertz plant haul, I ordered a Rapidaphora Tetrasperma, and when I received it, it just had these leaves down here, none of these tall ones. So it had all leaves without fenestrations in it. And I was kind of like, oh, I know they start off like this, but I really wanted the holes in the leaves. And look, my newest leaves all have the holes and I'm so excited about it. It's so cool. So originally I just had this leaf, which I was really excited about. Then this one came, and then like days later, this one came very fast. So I'm so happy about this, and the cool thing about it is it's growing upwards and giving me really cool nodes right here. So if I did want to propagate it, I could easily propagate it. So I'll probably clip it at some point once I get a few more leaves, because I don't want to do it yet, but I would like to have 2 of these. I'm just obsessed with propagating and having multiples of the plants that I love in my home. I don't know if that's just me. If you guys do that as well, please comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone. Super excited about this one. I'm hoping that it just keeps growing up. I did buy like a moss totem pole for it, so I do want to repot this, not now because it's winter, but I do want to eventually repot it and put the pole so that it can grow on it, and I just think that'll be a beautiful look. So I'm really excited about this one. All right, so the next plant I'm talking about is my Alocasia Frydeck. Look at this thing. It's freaking massive. I swear, like, the leaf is the size of my head, right? I mean, it's just crazy how big this plant is. I think this is even the biggest leaf. And it's so soft. It's super velvety. It's been doing very well. The only weird thing is, okay, I have to tell you guys, I am an Alocasia killer. I kill them. Like, I just cannot deal with them. They are so high maintenance for me. Alocasias and Calatheas for me just don't really do well. This one I've been doing okay with, so I'm very happy about it. It does need to be under grow light. If it's moved for like a day, it's mad at me. But it does have new growth all the time. The only weird thing is every time I get a new leaf, an older leaf dies. I don't know if that's just me or if that's normal. Can you guys let me know? But yeah, I'm worried that as soon as this new leaf comes off of this middle guy, then this one is gonna fall off and die. So I'm hoping not. It seems to be doing well. I do think the pot might be a little bit too small for it. I'm just nervous to repot in the winter time, but I may have to do it for this one just because it's getting so big. I can only assume that the roots are huge, so I will have to take a look at this soon. But for now, it's been doing very, very well. All right, so that's the Frydeck. Up next, we have a more common plant, but it is this Philodendron Brazil, and I've just been loving watching this guy grow to the point where it's almost becoming my favorite plant just because of how beautiful and fast it's been growing. I have this stem right here that's super, super long, and I can't deal with it. It's so pretty. Look at this. I mean, it's just gorgeous and it's super full. There's new growth everywhere when you look on it. Like there's this new leaf right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like every time I look at this plant, it has new leaves overnight. Like I swear this leaf was not here yesterday. So I absolutely love plants that grow that fast, and it's super full, super easy to take care of. Doesn't even need much light for it to grow. Honestly, I didn't even have it in front of a window or anything. I kind of had it in a corner and all this happened. I recently put it underneath the grow light, and that's why I've been getting a lot of the growth right here. So it loves the grow light, but it also doesn't necessarily require it, which I do appreciate. So yeah, this is the Philodendron Brazil. This was so small when I originally got it from Hertz as well. It was in a tiny pot, and it was like just a few leaves and did not trail at all. So to have this come from that very fast, super happy about that. All right, the last plant I want to talk about is, I don't even know how you say this one. It's a Transdense Gansia, something like that. But it is this plant right here. The story behind this is very special because I got it from Hertz, and when it arrived to me, it was dead. It was crunchy and horrible, the leaf was, and I didn't think it would make it. And what I did was I stuck it in a jar of water for like a few months. And then once it had new roots, I ended up planting it, and all this grew from it. Like, it's got so much new growth. And like, if you look closely, it's got all these little babies right here that are just ready to come out, and it just keeps getting longer and longer. So I've now learned how easy it is to propagate it because I just stuck it in water, and all it needs is, I believe the roots grow from right here, like these where the leaves come off of. So I do want to eventually clip it so that I can grow roots and put it on this side of the pot, so it'll be like more full. But yeah, for now, I'm super happy with this. I'm probably gonna have to repot this as well because it's in a pretty small pot for how fast it's been growing. But for now, I don't want to. Ooh, yeah, look at this. This is a root sticking out. So this, I probably will have to repot very, very soon, to be honest with you. I just need to go buy a bigger pot. So I need to go to like Home Depot or something. But yeah, super happy with this, guys. So cute. All right, so those are the main plants that I wanted to share my new growth with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys think, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because that way you get like faster updates and you get to see the plants. And I'm currently moving right now, so I'm going to be having this whole new plant setup, and I'm very, very, very excited to share with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I upload, which is twice a week, every single Thursday and Sunday. So with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.